Hey there everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to start making money online, eBay is one of the easiest platforms to get started. Now in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your eBay seller account step by step, even if you've never sold online before. Now let's jump in. The first step is to sign in or create an eBay account, and to do that, just go to your web browser and type in the search bar eBay. Enter the website. Now the second thing you're gonna do, if you don't have an account already, you're gonna find the register button here in the top left. Click on it and follow the prompts to create a new account and to register. You can either choose a personal or business account. Business is best if you plan to scale up. The second step is to go to sell at the top menu. To do that, just go to the sell section right here and click on it. eBay will walk you through a quick seller setup. After that, the third step is to enter your seller info. And to do that, just add your PayPal or bank account, shipping address, and tax info if required. This allows you to receive payments and be ready for sales. As for the fourth step is to choose your selling preference. You can set automatic relisting, communication preference, and shipping default. Let's go here. And here in account settings, you're gonna find the payment information, the address, and you can the selling dashboard, etc. Now, after you choose your selling preferences, list your first item. Just go back to the sell section and click on list an item. Just start selling. You can search for the item by inserting a keyword. Like for example, I'm gonna choose shoe. And I'm gonna click on it, and eBay will give me some suggestions here of products. You can choose between them, or you can add a product manually by choosing its condition from new with box to pre-owned. Continue, and you can follow the prompts to include photos, description, price, shipping info, and you're good to go. And that's it. You've officially become an eBay seller. Use high quality photos and detailed product titles, and check out what similar items sell for to set a fair price. And always respond to buyers quickly to boost your seller's rating. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further or more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.